All right, I'm looking at this problem. It's a hypothesis test. I can tell it's two-tailed because of the not equal. I can tell that this is a hypothesis test about a proportion. So remember that this is the population proportion. And so then what they give me is they say N is 123 subjects with X number successes. That's how you find P hat, which is the sample proportion. So the proportion, if I can spell it, so the sample proportion is X over N. So what percent, in this case, did they have successes? Well, that's 89 divided by 123. And I get 0.723, and I'm going to round it to 4 decimals to get enough decimals. Okay, so this is my P hat. You can see over here with my formula to find my Z value, I am simply just going to plug everything in. So 0.7236 minus my proportion. So this is the null population proportion, and then this of course is the sample, and so 0.74 divided by the square root of 0.74 times 1 minus 0.74 all over the sample size in 123, and I throw that into a calculator and rounded to 2 decimals, I get this value. However, this is a lot of steps. Remember, you have Google Sheets, and that's kind of what I'm trying to get to, a point where you use your Google Sheets, So they told me in that problem, X, the number of successes, was 89, N was 123, my proportion for the null hypothesis 0.74. My hypothesis, the null hypothesis was not, the alternative hypothesis right here was not equal. So be sure you change that to not equal. We don't care about the confidence interval because we're not doing that. Notice it calculated P hat for me, and do you see that right there? Isn't that beautiful? That is the answer. So this is why you really want to use Google Sheets.